Hey guys, 8-Bit Squid here and welcome to another Playmaker tutorial in Unity. So, in today's video we are going to create a checkpoint. So, obviously checkpoints are important for games like platforming. You don't want to get through, say halfway through a difficult platforming level, some tricky platforming in it, and then you die and have to start all over from the beginning. So it's always good to have a checkpoint. So my game scene here, I have a player character, and then here, this box collider, when I hit it, my player is going to fall and restart the level. So if I actually show you that now, hit play. Over here, we fall. Oh no, level will restart. Okay, so we can just get this set up, and it's really simple. So here, this is going to act as my checkpoint. So here I've got a little trophy on a rock, and I've also got a very basic particle system. Not the most beautiful thing in the world, but when we touch it, this is going to activate and then it will turn itself off after 3 seconds. Turn that off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we add 3 states in a new FSM, and we'll call this checkpoint. Okay, so we're going to have on player touch, activate particles, and then set checkpoint. You don't have to have them called this, you can call them whatever you want, and then it's going to add a finish transition to all 3. Okay, so on player touch, we want to use a trigger 2D event. So we'll put trigger 2D event in here. And that's going to collide with our player. So when our player touches it, it will work. I want to send that to finished. Activate particles. We're going to activate a game object. And then choose a next frame event. Okay. And then we're going to choose finished on next frame event, and then on activate game object, I'm going to put my particles. Now, if you don't have any particle system, then you just need the 2 here. You can just do 1 and 2. You won't need activate particles. Then on set checkpoint, I'm going to set position 2D, and then a next frame event. Okay, so made that number 1. Specify game object, and then we're going to tick here and put our player into here. And then we're going to have that set to a vector. Not set, sorry. We want get position. Get position 2D is what we want, sorry. So again, set that as our player. And then we're going to save that as a vector 2. Now I've got it here ready as player POS, but you just create a new global variable and call it what you want to call it. Make it easy to remember. And then we're done, we'll go to finished. So what happens is when our player touches it, it's going to go here. Our particles will turn on and show that we're at the checkpoint. And then set position, or get position, it's going to get our position and save it to a vector 2. So you don't have to use particles, so like in games like Mario, the 2D Mario, or like Super Mario 3D World, they had the flags, and obviously you'll change from being a Bowser flag to a Mario flag. You can do something like that. Now this is almost ready. All we need to do is actually tell our player to set position. I don't need that one. Okay, so we're going to add a new FSM called player POS, and we'll say this is called set position, and all we need to do is set position 2D. We can use owner here, and then we'll choose the vector player POS. Okay, so now if we actually hit play, it will now work. So when I run across, hit that, checkpoint activated, we fall, and then we start where we hit the checkpoint. See again, we'll drop, and there we are. Now, one important thing you do need to make sure of, see here our start position is this here. Make sure that in your global variables here, your player POS is set to this here. Otherwise, if this was 0 and 0, it's going to start wherever your 0 point is, and for me it's around here. So he would actually start here and drop down, and that's not what you want. But there we have it, a very quick and easy checkpoint which you can put around your stages, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, and also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you need any extra help with anything or have any questions, you can leave a comment below, or there's in the description I'll leave a link to my Discord where you can join and get help from me there quite quick. So hopefully I'll see you in future tutorials, and until next time, 8-Bit Squid out.